Sometimes the classiest thing you can do to a photo is simply to go back to old times and give it a nice black and white look. Some programs have this very easy. I think it's a little harder in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020. In Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020, you have to move your cursor up to the top and select the Enhance menu. Click on that so it will drop down. You go just below the halfway point on the list to this part that says Convert to Black and White. You can also hit Alt Circle B and get the same effect, but we're just going to click it here from the menu. And now we see the before and the after, and we can adjust how much of the colors are tuned out, and it's automatically set to these defaults, but we can add more of the red back in, shift it darker, can take more of it out, bring it brighter, like so. We're gonna put that there, gonna mess with the green a little bit, put that there, move the blue, and again you can just check these levels on your own based on your preferences to get them where you want it. We're going to set it right there. We're going to hit OK, and there is our new image.